Alright y'all, welcome back to the video. It is now day 4 on the old K-10 project. Austin's out here with us today. I don't know what the hell he just did. I literally grounded it in the same exact spot. The only thing I saw you do is that you turned down the speed of the wire. I don't know what the hell he did, but he literally turned down the speed of the wire, which has nothing to do with the actual welder working. He touched the spot and it worked. I really don't understand, but like I said, he's out here with us today. The welder is working, so you guys know what we're doing today. We're getting some stuff welded to the truck. First thing we're gonna start off with is behind the truck in the bed. That was in the last video. We did those 2 spots. Once we get that welded, because he's just wanting to get some stuff done right now, I'm just gonna be tinkering around doing some stuff up here. We're gonna try to tackle the floor pans once we can get those welded down. I think today we might start on one of the rockers, which is a big day because we need to get that done and I've been waiting to do it. So with that being said, y'all, enjoy the video. All right, little update. Austin actually ran to get more wire that I thought I had enough to at least just do today, but obviously this stuff goes a lot faster than what I thought, so we're buying like 5 rolls of that. We're gonna need it for the truck either way. I had him go so I can stay here and I can film actually prepping for all of the welds. We're gonna start with the passenger side floor pan. I just went through, got all that ready. I'm getting all lined up because once we weld them, she's on there for good. Getting all this tidied up, that's what I'm here doing. That's the current weld we got going on right now. Also really don't like this welder. I mean, there is better ones out there for what we're doing, but this one can work. We're just gonna have to do a lot of grinding, but it's not a big deal. I'd rather have a lot to grind than not enough. So that's what we're doing today, guys. We're just knocking this out. Hopefully we get some stuff set in stone and weld it to the truck today. All right, it's another beautiful day. We got some overcast. Couldn't pick a better day to work out here. The day that Austin was out here, like I said, he ran to the store, grabbed some wire. I was here prepping everything. Welded for like 2 minutes and the contact tip for the welder decided to get stuck. The wire was not coming out, so we literally just got back from Lowe's. Could have grabbed some there, but we didn't know, so we kind of had to wrap it up for the day. So I went this morning and picked this up some more, so we got them. We got like a pack of 12, so these go bad, it happens. It doesn't only happen that quick, but I'm just in case now. Apparently with the welder, I learned a valuable lesson that the ground actually has to be a lot closer than what I thought. That was my issue. That's why I couldn't get it to work. Repaired, I learned something, so now we're good to start going on the truck again. I got about halfway on this weld right here, so that's where I'm gonna start. Once we get that done, we're gonna jump inside the truck, start working on that front floor pan. This video's gonna be a lot of welding, y'all. We're gonna get most of the stuff done, and then once we have nothing else to weld, we're gonna start on something new and keep the process going. We're getting closer, honestly. Once we do both rockers, the cab corners, and the back 2 fenders, we're honestly done replacing all of our rust, and from that point, we'll start grinding down these welds, you know, throwing some Bondo on them, and probably want to put this truck in that shop right there and start doing some body work. And guys, then paints, tires, we're getting closer. So with that being said, let's get to work. Alright y'all, well, there's Austin's, there's half of Austin's, and there's mine. I don't think it's that terrible. We broke a little bit of metal down here, so I went ahead and hit that, but my issue was, I don't know if it got moved when we were welding, but I left from here to here pretty close, and I had a massive gap to fill, so it's kind of hard when you don't have anything to weld to. But I'm happy with it. I just found my new favorite thing to do. Welding's freaking awesome, man. I love it. It's fun. I'm having a good time out here. And I'm like, just from when I started, I'm just learning like how to like beat it a little bit better, and like I actually picked up on this pretty darn quick. That's what we're rocking with. We're welded all the way around. It meets to this corner over here. Happy with it, and guys, look at this. Standing up on it, floor pans in. Jack, things are starting to become solid to the truck, and that's just a great feeling once you don't cut something out and you got something new in. So now we're gonna jump to the driver's side. One thing I have noticed though is that we're going through wire quick. We bought 2 spools yesterday, and I already had to replace one, and I'm probably only about to get halfway through this floor pan. I'll just go get more wire, so let's get to it. Little update, you can see the beads that we've gone around. We made it about to that corner. Like I figured probably about halfway. We're just messing around back here. I'm starting just to grind that down. That's done. That's done. Coming to our complete floor pan over here. Dude, that looks good, man. I'm excited about this. We need to go back through and grind all these welds down, but it looks good. I mean, we are beaded all the way around. But like I said, we're out of wire. When I go to Lowe's, I'm buying like, let's just think. Finish that floor pan, possibly fenders, rockers, cab corners, back, rear wells. We're gonna need about like 15 rolls. Buying extra so we got them, because I'm tired of making trips to Lowe's. It's like every day. So I will see you guys once we get some more. Alright y'all, another beautiful day out here. Overcast again, we can't beat this freaking weather. Got the old crust bucket pulled out today. You guys saw in the beginning, we just ran to Lowe's, grabbed us some more wire. Issue being, I don't know if I wiped the store out or what, but they only had 1 spool of wire, which is not going to be ideal for what we need. Hopefully they'll restock pretty soon, because we need a lot more. Where we left off is that the floor pan actually only got about halfway done, so we need to finish doing that. We should have enough wire to at least do it, and a little bit extra. Now I wanted to really start on this rocker on this side today, but like I said guys, I'm not cutting into that thing until I have more wire to know that as soon as I cut that rocker out, I can fit a new one in. So we might just finish up what we've been working on, and we might tinker around with something else. It all kind of depends on, there's a storm rolling in right now. It's overcast, but we got some rain coming. So with that being said, let's whip the welder out. I'll be happy guys. In this video, we got both of these back corners done and both floor pans. That's what we've been working on for a while. So if we can get that done, we're honestly moving on to our next step, and that's going to be these rockers and cab corners. And I'm just, like I said in the beginning of the video, I'm jacked because we're moving pretty quickly. I did not think that we'd have most of this done for the time being that I've been out here working on this. The rear fenders are going to be a pain in the ass. I'm going to flip you guys around and just tell me what you think. I do believe I can get the rear cut out, the little cap for that section, and then we're kind of just working with that right there. I don't know what I can do to like fabricate a piece, but I truly do not think that this whole thing, because when you buy the piece, it's this whole cutout right here. I don't think we need all that. It's just a lot of work. This side's a different story because it's rusting all around, so we're gonna have to do the cutout for this. Honestly, everything around the truck I'm not worried about except that rear back there. I mean, when you're cutting out a section that's like 4 foot, you know, it's gonna be a lot, and not so much the welding, but that's a lot of body work, and that's a big section of the truck that you're gonna be able to see if there's a mess up, so that will probably be the last thing we tackle. But other than that, guys, like I said, we're moving pretty quick with this. We're becoming very, very rush-free with this truck, and I'm just excited to start sanding this thing, taking off the doors, and possibly getting ready for paint. And we got some colors picked out that are gonna be pretty unique that Chevy really never had on these trucks. So I'm excited. Let's pull the welder out, start getting on this floor pan, and see where we go. All right, the driver's side is complete. That thing's looking great. Like I said, we're not gonna have enough wire to do the rocker today, but I think I just kind of started messing around, grinding off right here. I think I'm just gonna work on that a little bit more, just get it grinded down, possibly this side too. Day 5 in the truck, we're gonna tackle these rockers and these cab corners, hopefully remove the bed. It's gonna be a big video, a longer video. You guys have been wanting that, so I'm excited for it. Let's go ahead and knock these welds down and see if we can make them look a little bit better. You guys can get an idea of what I'm doing. These lips in here, I'm trying to get those to level down, but then while it's still like kind of makes it level to the bed. This side's looking pretty good. We're just working our way around. This is where I had to beat a lot. You can see how there's a little hole right there. I gotta grind it down, try to make it level so we can see really what we're working with here. And it's not a big deal. There's a hole, like I said, there's a little spot right there. And it looks like we're a little low right here too to meet with that. What I gotta do is wet a little bit more. There's no big deal. And the bed is actually getting fully bedlined. That's the plan I have for back here. So guys, that stuff is super thick. It's not like paint. It's gonna leave bumps. It's gonna be rough, so it doesn't even have to be perfect. And I just want to let you guys know this. Like, for example, while I'm working on this, it's exciting. You guys might want to watch, and y'all have been wanting longer videos, and I'm really trying to put multiple days out here to really get stuff done. I can talk to anyone about anything for as long as I want. I've always had that personality. But when you're filming videos, I don't want to bore you guys. I don't want to make 17, 20-minute videos of just me sitting here talking and just trying to expand the time. And I could talk for 4 minutes, and we got another 4 minutes added on to a 10-minute video. I mean, I can sit here and do that, but it's not me, guys. If you notice in all my videos, I tell you guys what's going on. I try to be informational, but we get right to the point and we get working. I gotta grind all this stuff down. We can sit here in time lapse, and that's why we're gonna cut this video right here. I wanted to fit the rocker in, but like I said, we're gonna need more wire, and it's not gonna be able to happen. So that's how I kind of space out my videos. I appreciate you guys wanting to see them, and like I said, I'm trying to make them longer for you guys, but some things you just gotta space out for certain reasons. I get super excited when I can plan out stages of videos, and day 5 is gonna be a big one because, guys, I'm just like, I love seeing that the floor pans are in right now. And other than the floor pan looking good, there's a massive gap between the door, the floor pan, and the rocker, and like, it just, I'm excited to get stuff looking new again and getting it back put in. So that is going to be part 5. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to keep sitting here and grinding this one little section down. We'll pick this back up for that side so you guys can really see what I'm doing here. If you're enjoying these videos, you know what to do. Leave in the comments down below. I appreciate you guys watching. Until next time, Linton Bass TV.